What do you want for lunch?
Pizza!
Pizza! That's awesome! Let's go get some.
Let's go find the pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
There ain't no pizza in there.
Oh, okay.
I'm checking.
No! No!
Your daddy took it all home.
What do you want then?
Soup! I found it!
Soup!
Gonna move this TV.
Whoa, girl, calm down.
Here it
Ooh,
is.
thank you. Ooh, careful, girl. You don't spill the soup everywhere.
Okay, hold on now. Get your crackers.
Oh, forgot to put the TV.
There's some crackers. Right there. Spoons are over there. Microwave's up there.
Ooh, that soup smells good. 2 spoons for the ladies.
Whatever we have, if there's any left over, eat all of it if you want it. If there's any left over, we'll throw it out and work it down later.
Okay. Oh, soup looks awesome. Yep. We need more. Yeah. Keep on going. Yeah. More. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. Soup for the lady.
Microwave. Soup, soup, soup.
Spit it out. Yeah. Oh, ew. Soup's still cold.
Well,
Just gonna do it.
stick it in the microwave.
10 seconds. That probably won't work, so I'll do 20 more. More soup. Very crazy. Is your spoon? You have to do yours
Is it
for
hot?
40 seconds. It gets it warm enough. It's edible. It's still cold. I'm about to do hot and it's still cold.
You got the most potatoes.
I love potatoes.
I love potatoes too.
What do you want to drink?
Give me that Coca-Cola. What are you getting to drink?
Tomato.
You can't drink a tomato.
Yes, you can. My country.
Like down in my country, we drink tomatoes. What do you drink?
This stuff. And especially drink
Ew, what is that?
this stuff.
Put that back in there. Put that spinach.
That stuff is yummy.
It's spinach.
What about this?
You don't drink sour cream. Let me test them real quick.
What about whipped frosting?
Oh, it's cold still.
Whipped frosting is yummy.
You mean whipped?
It's whipped. Not everybody. Whipped frosting. What's this one? Chocolate syrup.
You can't drink chocolate syrup.
It's milky here. Wait, we're having Coca-Cola. I can't put that in there.
You don't need icing. Hey, put that up the cigarettes.
Cigarettes is nasty. I can't eat that. Need some potatoes.
You don't.
Refried beans. Glass carrots.
Be easy on the table. It's glass.
Chili beans. To make me gassy. Green beans for Mr. Giant.
Or Mr. Giant.
Ketchup. Chili.
Okay. No more
Extra
cans.
gassy beans. Soup.
That was hot.
Time to put mine in.
Oh my goodness. Girl, get your spoon out of there. You can't microwave a spoon.
Yeah, you can. In that country, you can.
Okay.
We need some more stuff.
No more. No more.
But we need mustard. Mustard.
You are mustard. Calm down.
And last but not least,
Oatmeal.
Quaker oats. Wait, what were they? Ravioli. And
That's it?
pickles.
Let me see the pickles so you don't break the jar.
And mushrooms. Everybody hates mushrooms. And we need a box of fudge brownies.
Okay, that's enough. That's all we need to eat.
Would you like some ketchup with your soup?
No.
No ketchup. Pickles?
No. No spatulas either.
Green beans?
No.
Chili beans?
No.
Mustard?
No.
Cornell chili with beans?
No.
Ravioli?
No.
Sliced carrots? Uh-oh, what about the burn?
It won't burn if the microwave's off.
Thank you, Mr. Microwave.
Look at that soup.
It's yummalicious. Now let's see what I want. Oh, do you want Quaker oats?
No.
Move over, sir. Tomato slices.
I'm okay.
Some brownies. Refried beans.
No, I'll pass.
sliced mushrooms in a jar.
I don't need this spatula.
It's not a spatula. It's a frosting rubber.
It's a rubber spatula.
We need some from the fridge. There it is.
Ah, my fingers are burning.
This is like the greatest thing. Whipping cream.
Whipped. You mean whipped?
Within frosting. Wait. You need one too.
I don't want one. Z. Okay. It's almost 11 minutes.
That's fast.
Okay, everybody. Goodbye while we enjoy our soup. Wait, bye.
This video is brought to you by eatcrackers.com. Yeah.
That concludes the video for today. Goodbye.